Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add adjustment layer on CapCut on mobile. So first of all, launch CapCut application on your mobile device. Now from here you can choose your existing projects or you can tap on the option of new project. With that, your gallery will be opened. You can choose any photos or videos from here. So for instance, I'm going to choose this video. Now, from the various options given at the bottom of CapCut app, swipe towards the left and tap on the option of Adjust. Here we go. Now over here, you can see various options that you can adjust. So I'm going to increase the brightness. Then tap on the option of Done or check mark button at the bottom right corner of your screen. With that, you can see that the adjustment layer has been added. You can decrease or increase this adjustment layer accordingly. Now, if you tap on Adjust again, you can also adjust other various features of your video. So I'm going to increase the saturation and then tap on Done at the bottom right. Now, similarly, you can increase or decrease this adjustment layer on your CapCut for your video. So that's how simply you can add adjustment layer on CapCut video on your mobile. So this is it for today. And at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos.